Kuya Will. Ano ba yung matang babastos nyo? Hi, Boss Love. How's your day today? My day just started, so... Yeah. Hi, Hercules. I think I'm starting to have a bad day today because of those person who keeps commenting. Hi, level 274? Kita po ba comment ko? Yes, hi, Dudong. Hello, Mark. Good morning, guys. Gusto okay lang. Good morning, Dudong. James, hello. Yoshi. Add to cart. Hello. Beru. Ba't ka natawa? Add to cart. Is there something funny? There's something funny. Hi, it's me. Good morning. Nag-breakfast na ba kayo, guys? Or dinner? Hindi. Second day ko na yun. Kasi kapag second day, nawawala yung sakit ng puson ko. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mark. Hi, V. Second day talaga. Nawawala siya. Gusto mo ba hanapin natin, guys? Wag na. Hi, Big Red. Uy, tropa. Ganun ginagawa ko dati. Wala naman na. Good morning, ID. Tony Martin. Hello, good morning. Where are you from, Tony? Where are you from? Hello, Christian. Busy ako palagi. Hi, level... Ano to? Not cope? You guys eaten your lunch or dinner? I'm from Earth. Wala naman. Pag first day, meron. Oh my God. I'm from Earth. Can you understand Tagalog? Or no? Kumusta ka na kumakain? Kumain ka na? No, I still haven't eaten yet. Since I just woke up. And then I started. Di po, I don't. Ay, wow. Hindi nga siya nakakain din ng Tagalog, guys. Ay, mukha siyang ano talaga. Pilipino. Ay, hindi. Wala siyang pero kanina hindi po. Mukha kang hindi Pilipino. Na may pagka-Pilipino. Mga, 20%? Oh, why? Are you taking a class? Filipino class? Wala akong sungay pag may regla ako. Depende lang pag inilis mo ako. Hi, Marimil. Felix. Oh, you're Mexican. That's why you don't like Philip. That's why I don't see any, sorry, mix, wala ako. Saan ka wala? Hi, Mai. Good morning. Bruno. Sanjay. Pag sumakit puson ko. Kaso may nagsabi, may nag-up dito. Sabi, gusto ko daw ba ng 9 months na gamot? Ay, sabi ko, okay na ako sumasakit. Ito. Hi, Ma. Hi, District.